So it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you another tip about Creditor Days. Creditor Days is a cash flow lever. So the longer you have your cash sitting around in your own business for you to use over and again, the better your business position will be. Creditor Days refers to how many days it takes you to pay your suppliers. So it's a cash flow lever, and you remember you need to balance paying your suppliers, lengthening the time of paying your suppliers. But if you go for too long, you risk the supply chain. So you risk your suppliers not supplying to you, and you also risk not getting the most favorable terms and conditions. So here's my tip of the day. Choose payment methods that incur less fees. So if you have a supplier who offers that you can do things on a credit payment and it incurs a 2% fee, as opposed to doing a direct bank transfer that incurs no fee, consider using the payment method that doesn't incur as many fees. Make sure, however, that sometimes by paying by credit, you can actually lengthen the time it takes you really to pay that, because while you've paid your suppliers, you haven't actually paid the credit company for that. So just balance your cash flow needs out according to what you're going to need in the near future. So that's my tip of the day for Creditor Days.